Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Pranav Mote. I am a third year civil engineering student. I am going to take a seminar on the topic of fiber reinforced concrete, and my teammates are Bhagyeshri Patil and Mahadev Patil. The teacher who guided us for this seminar is Professor A.S. English sir. Here are the contents: Introduction, Literature Review, History of Fiber Reinforced Concrete, Types of Fiber Reinforced Concrete, Uses of Fiber Reinforced Concrete, Conclusion, References. Introduction. Fiber reinforced concrete is a composite material consisting of cement paste, mortar, or concrete with closely spaced and uniformly dispersed fibers of polypropylene, nylon, core glass, and carbon. It is also known as glass fiber reinforced concrete and simply fiber reinforced concrete. Literature review. James Romardi in at the Carnegie Institute of Technology that a clearer understanding of the properties of SFRC emerged. Steel fiber reinforced concrete has been a later extension of this understanding, with the first application being to stabilize the rock slope of a tunnel portal. Idaho in 1972, Ramakrishnan V, WGY and Hossil G. History of fiber reinforced concrete. Fibers have been used for concrete reinforcement since prehistoric times, though technology has improved significantly as it applicable for other fields. In the early age, straw and mortar were used for producing mud bricks and horsehair was used for their reinforcement. As the fiber technology developed, cement was reinforced by asbestos fibers in the early 20th century. During the middle of the 20th century, extensive research was in progress for the use of composite materials for concrete reinforcement. Later, the use of asbestos for concrete reinforcement was discouraged due to detection of health risks. New materials like steel, glass, and synthetic fibers replaced asbestos for reinforcement. Active research is still in progress on this important technology. Fiber reinforced concrete is considered to be one of the greatest advancements in the construction engineering during the 20th century.
My name is Bhagyeshri Vijay Patil and I am third year civil engineering student. I am explaining to you types of fiber reinforced concrete. There are many types of fiber reinforced concrete: steel fiber reinforced concrete, glass fiber reinforced concrete, asbestos fiber reinforced concrete, carbon fibers reinforced concrete. First, steel fiber reinforced concrete. In steel fiber reinforced concrete, round steel fibers are commonly used. The typical diameters ranges is 0.25 to 0.75 mm. Steel fibers having a rectangular cross section. Second, glass fibers reinforced concrete. Glass fiber is made of 200 to 400 individual filaments which are lightly bonded to make up a stand. These stands can be chopped into various lengths combined to make cloth mats or tape. Third one is asbestos fibers. The naturally available expensive mineral filter asbestos has been successfully combined with Portland cement paste to form a widely used product called asbestos cements. Third one is carbon fibers. Carbon fibers from the most recent and probably the most spectacular addition and the range of fibers available for commercial use.
We have already discussed about FRC, that is fiber reinforced concrete, its history and types. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of FRC. FRC is mainly used to bridge the cracks that develop in concrete and increase the ductility of concrete elements. It improves post-cracking behavior of concrete and imparts more resistance to impact load. FRC controls drying, shrinkage, cracking, and it lowers the permeability of concrete matrix and thus reduces the bleeding of water. It has been tried on overlays of airfield, road pavements, industrial footings, bridge decks, canal lining, explosive resistant structures, refractory linings, etc. It is used for the fabrication of precast products like pipes, fatigue strength, and energy absorbing characteristics. To know all about the SRC, we referred comparison of performance of standard concrete and fiber reinforced standard concrete exposed to elevated temperatures. American Journal of Engineering Research by K. Srinivasa Rao, S. Rakesh Kumar, and A. Lakshmi Narayana, and recent trends in steel fibered high strength concrete elsewhere materials and design by Abid A. Shah and Y. Ribakov. So thanks all and thank you so much Akash English sir for guiding us.